Let's consider question number 2. In this question, express the following linear equation in the form of ax plus by plus c equals 0 and indicate the value of a, b and c in each case. So let's consider first question of this problem, which is 2x plus 3y equals 9.35 bar. So this is our problem. First, we will convert this equation in form of ax plus by plus c equals 0. Because it is given, express the following linear equation in the form of ax plus by plus c equals 0. So first, here should be 0. So how can we obtain 0 on right hand side? To get 0, we have to subtract 9.35 bar both sides. If we add or subtract any number both sides, it doesn't make any change in equation. So values will cancel out and we will get 2x plus 3y, and as we need the form ax plus by, and there should be sign of plus. So we can write this value, negative value, as positive of negative 9.35 bar equals, and when we subtract similar type of values we get 0. So this is the equation in the form of ax plus by plus c equals 0. So this is our first answer. Now indicate the value of a, b and c in each case. That means we need to find the value of a, b and c. So compare above equation with ax plus by plus c equals 0. Here if we compare, coefficient of x is a and here coefficient of x is 2. So a equals 2. Here coefficient of y is b. Here coefficient of y is 3. So b equals 3 and c equals, here constant term c, and here is the constant term which is negative of 3.5 bar. So this is our final answer. This is our first answer and this is our second answer. Now consider second part of this question. In second part it is given that x minus y by 5 minus 10 equals 0, and we need to convert this equation in the form of ax plus by plus c equals 0. So how can we do so? Here there is no value before x, so we can write x as 1 into x. Basically 1 is always hidden before x. Similarly for y, we can y as 1y because it is 1y into 1y upon 5. I have replaced this 5 slightly left side, and it is minus 10 equals 0. We need positive sign between ax, by plus c equals 0. There should be positive sign. So we can write it as positive of negative 1 by 5y. Similarly here positive negative 10. If you multiply plus and minus, it gives negative and we get negative 10. So we can write negative 10 as positive negative 10, because we know that we need positive sign before the constant term equals 0. So this is the answer of first part. There is no necessary to write 1 here, so you can remove this 1 also, or we can write it. There is no big deal. Now compare above equation with ax plus by plus c equals 0. Here the coefficient of x is a and here coefficient of x is 1. So a equals 1, b equals minus 1 upon 5, and obviously c equals minus 10. So this is the answer of second part. Let's consider third part of the question. Minus 2x plus 3y plus equals 6. So first we bring 0 here. So how can we get? We do the same step which we did earlier in the question first part of the question. So subtract 6 both sides and we will get 0. Now we have got the 0. Second thing, we have to convert this equation in the form of ax plus by plus c equals 0, so that there is already positive sign, but there should be positive sign. So how can we write it? We can write negative sign as positive negative. Now this is our first answer. Now compare this equation with this equation, ax plus by plus c. Compare equation with ax plus by plus c equals 0. We will get a equals minus 2, b equals 3 and c equals minus 6. This is the answer of third. Let's consider fourth part. In fourth part, there is 3y, but we need 0 here. So subtract 3y both sides, and we get 3y minus 3y equals 0. So on right hand side we have already got now 0. So we can write it. We need to write this equation in the form of ax plus by plus c equals 0. So how can we write it? To write this equation in this form, x is here, but I need positive sign. So I can write it negative or positive negative 3y. There is no constant term. So in addition, 0 is always present there. So this is the answer of first part in the form of ax plus by. There is no need to write this bracket. So this is our first part. Representation in the form of ax plus by plus c equals 0. Now compare this equation. Compare this equation with ax plus by plus c equals 0. We will get here the coefficient of x is 1, as I have told earlier that the 1 is always hidden before any variable. If it is given, it is 1x basically. So a equals 1, b equals minus 3. We can write it minus 3y as in this form also. So you can see b equals minus 3 and there is no c, so c will equal to 0. So this is the answer of second part. Let's consider fifth part. We need to remove minus 5y, so we can add 5y both sides. So add 5y here, add 5y here. So it becomes 0, so we can write it 2x plus 5y equals 0. There is no constant term 2x plus 5y, but I need c, so I can write here 0 as c plus 0 equal to 0. So this is the answer of first part of this fifth part question. Now it is in the form of ax plus by plus c. Now compare it, and when we compare it, compare with ax plus by plus c equals 0, we will get a equals, so a will equals 2. What is the value of b? Coefficient of y, which is 5, so b is 5 and there is no c, so it will 0. So this is the answer of second part. Let's consider part 6. In part 6 there is no y, so we can write it 0y. So this is the answer of first part in the form of ax plus by plus c equals 0. And in the second part, find the value of abc. So compare above equation with ax plus by plus c equals 0. We will get a equals 3, b equals 0 and c equals 2. So this is the answer of second part. Part 7th, y minus 2 equals 0. So there is no x, so we can write it 0x plus y minus 2 equals 0. There should be positive sign between the values, so we can write negative as positive negative 2. So this is the answer of first part in the form of ax plus by plus c equals 0. Now I need to find the value of a, b and c. So how can we do that? Compare our equation with ax plus by plus c equals 0, and here we will get a equals 0, b equals, there is 1 is always hidden before any variables, so b equals 1 and c equals minus 2. So this is the answer. Second part 8, 5 equals 2x. So we can subtract 2x both sides and we will get 2x minus 2x. So it will 2x will 2x cancel out and we will get 0. So we have got 0 on the right hand side here. So there is no y term. I can write 2x at the starting. There is no big deal. And there is no y, so we can write it as 0y plus 5. I have written 5 here, minus 2x here, and there was no y term, so I can write it as 0y. And equal is here, and this 0 comes here. So this is the rearrangement of the values. So this is our answer of first part. Now we want to find the value of a, b and c. To find the value of a, b and c, compare the equation with ax plus by plus c equals 0, and we will get what is the value of a. A is equal to minus b. What is the value of b? B is equal to 0. What is the value of c? C is equal to 5. So this is the answer of second part. If you like our video, you can share our video on Facebook, G+, and you can also subscribe our channel NCERT Help Solution. Thank you.